I know y'all niggas want some, but y'all can't. Y'all can't do the type of shit I do, man. Y'all don't eat what I eat. Y'all don't love how I love, nigga. I love harder than you. I look better than you. I wear buffs better than you, nigga. Your buffs weak as hell. Your tent can't fuck with my tent. It's like, what's the deal? I'm that rich bud, and today we out at Sugah Please, located in downtown Detroit. I've been sick for like a week straight. I just know I had to have COVID or AIDS or something, shit.
You are very, very sick.
I don't even feel that bad, Doc. Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that.
They said all your boy got is the flu though, so thank the Lord. But with that being said, I done lost my voice, so bear with me. So we trying the Sugah Please wings. I forgot what flavor. It was something freaky as hell, like peach jalapeno something. I was taking a dog ass risk ordering them, but we about to see what they hitting on. Damn, these super duper fire. You don't really taste no jalapeno nowhere, but you definitely taste the peach. But it ain't like no fruity ass wings though, you did? I'm fucking with these for sure. So far so good. Yeah, these wings hitting for sure. You the chef?
Yeah, I'm the chef.
What's your name?
G.
G?
Yeah, I'm from Detroit Gerald on Instagram.
All right, for sure. So Chef G done came out and introduced himself. And you know, once them cameras come out, everybody come out the motherfucking gutters, the sewers, trying to make sure they get a good rating. So far, these wings a hit. I ain't gonna lie. With the name of the flavor, I thought them bitches finna be so damn trifling. I've been doing this for a little minute now, so I'm used to novelty food and shit. So I know most of the time that shit do not be hitting. It's made strictly for the memes and for the TikToks, but these wings, he showed his ass.
Pause.
They ain't really got no spice to them, so I don't know where they get the jalapeno from, but the peach, hell yeah. So now we moving on to the blackened salmon and grits. Our first glance, they for sure went light skin on the grits, so I'm worried as hell. I'm hoping these bitches ain't instant. They threw all the sauteed veggies in the world on it though. It looked fancy as hell, and I ain't gonna lie, this is my bag for sure. Y'all see? Y'all get first bite. I know y'all niggas want some, but y'all can't. Y'all can't do the type of shit I do, man. Y'all don't eat what I eat. Y'all don't love how I love, nigga. I love harder than you. I look better than you. I wear buffs better than you, nigga. Your buffs weak as hell. Your tent can't fuck with my tent. It's like the blackened salmon came straight from Louisiana, clearly. I just know they had Hurricane Chris back there whipping nuts.
Hey, baby. Hey, baby.
But as I suspected, the grits ain't hitting on the motherfucking thing. It's depending on the salmon to carry it. Just don't eat too much of the grits at the same time you eating the salmon, and it won't fuck it up. They could have threw a little seasoning on the veggies too, but they sauteed them good as hell though. They should have called it blackened spinach and grits. With that salmon, it's seasoned perfectly. I ain't gonna lie, it's some of the best salmon I've had lately. So I gotta give them their props for that. Chef G, you a fool for this one. So they ain't had what we really wanted. So we had to settle for the Nola platter. It got fried catfish, fried shrimp, and french fries on it. Our first glance is looking pretty good, but it's looking standard though. There's some shit I could have cooked at the crib. And the shrimp fried as hell. That shrimp more fried than that bitch from high school that wouldn't give you a shot. Now she on dick. That shrimp good, but like I said, there's some shit I could have made at the crib and I can't even cook. It's super duper fishy too though. I don't know how they could have knocked it down some, but it's definitely fishy as hell. All right. French fries are French fries. These are my rider bitches from the grocery store. Standard crinkle cut fry. Nothing to write home about. Now this catfish look good as hell. You know, I love a good catfish. Even the ones on Instagram. I'll show y'all some love too, fuck it. I'm rocking with that fish so heavy. I know y'all saw that spit, that's trifling. I'm rocking with the fish heavy as hell. It's still a little fishy too, but the batter was did perfectly. The fish flaky as hell, they ain't overly cook it. Yeah, I give them kudos for that. So I've been wanting to try this place since I started doing reviews, but I don't be downtown like that. Like I said, I don't fuck with the parking, I don't fuck with all the walking. I damn sure don't fuck with the police, but opportunity presented itself for me to check them out. And I can honestly say I've been missing out. Customer service, attentive as hell. He checked on me more times than my auntie did when I was in the hospital. And they kept the drinks flowing too. Now the drinks ain't too over the top, but it definitely got me there. But my main problem had to be they ain't got shit. Like everything on the menu I wanted, they didn't have the ingredients or they didn't have the wherewithal to make it. And you know, that could be a major problem for most people. Now for me, I'm pretty understanding, so I won't count it too much against them. It's a Monday, they probably had a busy weekend, ran out of supplies, so it is what it is. Now as far as the pricing, I'd say it's standard for a place like this. You know, like a new brunch spot, they try the best they can to price guys, you feel me? But it's up to you to navigate around that shit and know what to order. If you come here trying to ball out, you better have the pockets for it. So now I know the $1 million question is, would I recommend this spot to y'all? And I'd say I would. Like I said, if you know how to maneuver and know what to order, you will have a pretty good time. Now I came on a day where it wasn't too busy, so as far as mingling and all that, you might not meet too many new people. So let me know, is downtown a hangout spot for y'all? What brunch food resonate more for y'all? And most importantly, where the hell should I go next? So until we meet again, I'm gone.